Essential English phrases for daily conversations. Use these phrases in daily English conversations, spoken English practice, and English fluency exercises to sound more natural and confident. It seems like, meaning, it appears or looks as if something is true. Example, it seems like it is going to rain soon. It sounds as though, meaning, based on what I hear, it appears that. Example, it sounds as though they are having an argument. It turns out that, meaning, in the end, we discover. Example, it turns out that the meeting was cancelled. It implies that, meaning, it suggests or indicates indirectly. Example, his silence implies that he agrees with us. It appears to be, meaning, it looks like, it seems to be. Example, it appears to be a difficult problem. Chances are, meaning, it is likely that. Example, chances are we will win the match. There is a chance that, meaning, it is possible that. Example, there is a chance that he will change his mind. There is no doubt of that. Meaning, it is certain that. Example, there is no doubt that he is talented. There is no guarantee that. Meaning, it is not certain that. Example, there is no guarantee that the plan will succeed. I assume that. Meaning, I think something is true without complete proof. Example, I assume that you have already finished the task. I suspect that, meaning, I think something is probably true. Example, I suspect that the train has already left. I doubt it, meaning, I don't think that. Example, I doubt if he knows the answer. I wouldn't be surprised if, meaning, it would seem normal if this happened. Example, I wouldn't be surprised if it rains tonight. I am positive that, meaning, I am completely sure that. Example, I am positive that we made the right decision. I am not sure if, meaning, I am certain whether. Example, I am not sure if this is the correct address. To the best of my knowledge, meaning, as far as I know. Example, to the best of my knowledge, the store is closed today. For all I know, meaning, based on the limited information I have. Example, for all I know, they may have already left. In all likelihood, meaning, very probably, most likely. Example, in all likelihood, the project will be completed on time. Whatever happens, meaning, no matter what occurs. Example, whatever happens, don't lose hope. Maybe we should, meaning, a suggestion. Example, maybe we should leave a little earlier. Perhaps you could. meaning a polite suggestion. Example, perhaps you could explain it again. Possibly it is, meaning it may be. Example, possibly it is too late to change the plan. Most likely, meaning very probably. Example, most likely he forgot about the appointment. Surely you, meaning used when the speaker expects something to be obvious or true. Example, surely you understand the situation. Is as plus adjective plus as, meaning two things are equal in quality. Example, this book as interesting as the movie. Is not so plus adjective plus as, meaning one thing has less of quality than another. Example, the road is not so busy as the highway. Is much more plus adjective plus than, meaning one thing has considerably more of a quality. Example, this task is much more difficult than I expected. Is way better than, meaning much better than. Example, the second restaurant is way better than the first one. Is slightly different from, meaning has a small difference. Example, this version is slightly different from the original. Is similar to, meaning nearly the same, like. Example, the design is similar to the previous one. In next tutorial, I will bring you English speaking practice lesson. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. And share my video among your friends. See you in future videos.